Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add color filter in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, simply you just need to select the clip on which you would like to add color filter. Then we need to go to color page, and right here you have a lot of options like you have temperature, tint, contrast, pivot and so on. You will able to adjust the values of this and you'll able to see the color filter we have added on this clip. Similarly, you can just adjust the contrast, tint, temperature and all the jazz. Like you can simply decrease the saturation to 0 to make this clip black and white, and you can simply just play with these values in order to make the clip the way you want. You can also add sharpness, you can adjust the h/v ratio, and you can just play with these options as I said, and that we will able to color grade, or that we will able to add filter to this clip or this video. Not only that, you can also go to this option LUT, and once you enable this you will able to see all the available LUTs you have. So what you can do, you can just simply drag and drop this onto your video to be able to get the results according to your choice. You can see the video color grading is changing, so you can try this too. You can also download custom LUTs from internet. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to add color filter in DaVinci Resolve. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.